Hello, and welcome back to Confident English. Today we are focusing on IELTS speaking preparation. Wow, I want to share with you not 5 tips, not 10 tips, but 12 top tips to maximize your IELTS speaking score. Okay, let's dive straight in with top tip number 1. Tip 1. Thorough preparation. Familiarize yourself with the test format and types of questions commonly asked. Use official IELTS practice materials, online resources, or prep books to understand what to expect. Tip 2. Practice speaking regularly. Engage in regular speaking practice to build fluency and confidence. Consider joining a study group, enrolling in an IELTS preparation class, or practicing with a language exchange partner. Tip 3. Record yourself. Record your responses to sample questions and listen back. This can help you identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation, clarity, and coherence. Another extra tip, which is super helpful, is to talk to yourself in the mirror, okay? It's a little embarrassing at first, but it's a wonderful way to see how you express yourself and improve your presentation. Tip 4. Focus on vocabulary and grammar. Work on expanding your vocabulary and using a variety of grammatical structures. This will help make your speech more engaging and demonstrate your language proficiency. For example, don't only use will when you are talking about events in the future. Show off and use be going to for plans and intentions, and present continuous for future arrangements. Use strong adjectives to make your language more empathetic. For example, don't use big and small, say enormous and tiny. Tip 5. Use real-life topics. Practice speaking about a wide range of topics, including personal experiences, current events, and abstract ideas. This will prepare you for the diverse questions you may encounter. Use examples to illustrate your topic if possible. Tip 6. Develop structured responses. For part 2, practice organizing your thoughts before you speak. Use the 1-minute preparation time to jot down key points and structure your response with an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. Practice doing this, and don't forget to use the notes when you're talking. Tip 7. Engage in discussions. For part 3, practice discussing more complex topics and expressing opinions. Engage in debates or discussions with friends or language partners to improve your critical thinking and analytical skills. Remember to use linking words and phrases to help connect your ideas. Tip 8. Stay calm. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep, long breathing to manage anxiety. Remember that it's normal to feel nervous. It's okay, and your examiner will know that you will be nervous. It's not a problem. Practice will help you be more confident and relaxed. Remember, smiling and staying calm will help you perform better. Tip 9. Be yourself. Speak naturally and let your personality shine. The examiners are looking for your ability to communicate, not for a perfect performance. Remember to raise your voice and also to lower your voice, to pause and to use humor if possible. Try to speak like you would a friend or classmate. Tip 10. Seek feedback. After practice sessions, ask for feedback from teachers, friends, or speaking partners. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas to work on and improve your speaking skills and confidence. Tip 11. Simulate test conditions. Conduct mock speaking tests under timed conditions to get used to the pressure and timing of the real speaking exam. This will help you manage your time effectively and feel more comfortable during the actual test. Tip 12. Maintain eye contact and body language. During the test, make eye contact with the examiner and use positive body language. This shows confidence and engagement, making your responses more impactful. Again, remember to smile. It will make you relax and make you feel much more confident. Okay guys, there you are. 12 top tips to help you maximize your IELTS speaking score. By using these strategies and practicing consistently, you will max your potential and enhance your performance on the IELTS speaking test. Practice, relax, and do it. Yeah. Good luck.